Right, ydy pawb yn clywed ni? Mae Emrys yma. Mae Christopher Lloyd ar ei ffordd, yr actor enwog o pethau gwych fel Back to the Future.
A be arall?
Exactly. Oedd hwnna wedi diffinio fel gyrfa fe, so fi ddim yn credu... Oedd e'n typecast yn bach, oedd e ar ôl.
Ydy.
Ie, os chi'n gwylio nawr, please, os chi'n gallu gwrando ar yr audio, mae Toonstruck jyst yn cael teimlad falle mae'r cerddoriaeth circus-ish yma falle yn mynd i bod yn rhy uchel, ond hoffwn i gael eich barn ar hwnna.
Wedi pum gwaith.
Sorry?
Christopher Lloyd wedi 5 gwaith.
Oh, wow. Wel, oedd e ddim wedi ffeindio'r un cywir tan y 5ed yn arog.
Dal amser o chweched.
Neu falle oedd e'n gymaint o bersonoliaeth a cymeriad mawr, oedd e just hynllef i byw gyda. Return of the Obra Dyn ar werth am tua 12 pint ar GOG. Nes i prynu...
O, wel, gyda fi.
Well,
good game hwnna.
Good game. So ni ar y pwynt a chlic nawr, gafon ni amser hwyl. Steff, os ti eisiau neidio yn y music to byd yn uchel, okay, cool, mae'n trio sort o hwnna. Defnyddio fy holl sgiliau fan hyn nawr. Volume mixer. I ddim eisiau colli'r cerddoriaeth, achos ti'n mynd i clywed yr audio a'r dialog a stuff. Ydy hwnna'n well, Steff? I roi lawr tipyn bach. Anyway, gaf ni gwybod yn y chat, wnaethon ni cael gymaint o hwyl tro diwetha. Steff, os ti eisiau neidio ar yr audio Discord, croeso i ti wneud, neu chi'n gallu just yn y chat, just dim lot, mae hwn yn hollol agored. O'n i'n mynd i cael go ar ni nawr, just, cool. Mae fi yn cyffroes iawn, a o'n i'n trafod hwn gyda Emrys achos oedd ef bach fel, ddim yn siŵr am y game yma, ond y pwynt yw, ni'n mynd i gweithio mas heddiw os taw, ti'n gwybod rose nostalgia tinted glasses, so spectol tinted nostalgia, ydy hwnna'n wir heddiw, neu ydy e'n game amazing, right, play intro.
Ys di talu full price am ddim?
Na, ges i am ddim.
O, 4 pint wrth ag yna? O, iawn, oce.
Joia. Mae'n nos Wener pawb.
Dyna fi no, diod, dwi'n meddwl.
Bydd angen i'n hanner ffordd trwy.
This is Dr. Stern's office. I'm calling to remind you about your dental appointment tomorrow morning.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Blank.
Yes.
You've missed your last 3 appointments, Mr. Blank.
Yes, I know.
Mae siarad yn lot east o music.
I'm sorry, I'm terribly sorry, I must have forgotten.
It's only a filling, Mr. Blank. So you'll be here tomorrow, 10 a.m. sharp?
I promise, I'll be so there it'll make up for all my missed appointments.
I don't care what you do, Mr. Blank, as long as you don't forget again.
Yes, I remember.
All right, Drew, I'm sorry. But if you remember, then why aren't you...
Whoops. Oh, I'm sorry, Maxine. I thought you were... why aren't I what?
Your meeting with Schmaltz, it started 10 minutes ago.
I'm so dead!
In my day, being late for a meeting with one's superiors was grounds for immediate dismissal.
Dwi'n gwybod fo, Blaen.
See that it doesn't happen again.
Mae fe yw'r cymeriad o Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
Sorry.
Now then,
Fe yw'r principal.
I'm sure you're aware that this season marks the 10th anniversary of the Fluffy Bun Bun show. Frankly, we've milked this formula long enough. Bun Bun needs a boost. It needs revitalizing. It needs a shot in the arm.
A shot in the arm, yes, sir. Sure does.
And, since Bun Bun's your creation, I want you to personally administer this revitalizing shot.
Thank you, sir.
Here's how I see it. We create a big batch of happy, cute bunnies to share the spotlight with Bun Bun. It's an all-new show and we call it Fluffy and Friends. After all, if one bun can carry a company like Sam Schmalting for 10 years, a whole truckload of the things has got to be a gold mine, 24 karat. Get it?
Yes, terrific idea.
Listen, that? That's it.
But it's exactly what the show needs. More bunnies.
Of course it's a terrific idea. That's why I get paid the big bucks.
Oh.
Well, what are you waiting for? Go make. Oh, and one more thing.
Yes, sir.
I want the new characters on my desk first thing tomorrow morning. And this
Oh my
time,
god.
don't be late.
Tomorrow morning. First thing, yes. Okay.
Dyna'n... Be? Dim yn realistig o gwbl.
More sweet, friendly rabbits. Rabbits that do nice things. Rabbits that thoroughly care. Share.
Stefan Gofyn, ydy hwn yn meta joke am Roger Rabbit? Well, yeah, sure o fod.
Do.
Y pwynt o, mae fe gyda... Mae'n peth yn ei hun.
The early work of a very young, very naive Drew Blank.
So bosio fatha...
He's gonna take the world by storm.
Ie, yn poeni gymaint am y cymeriadau yma. So fatha... Cyn amser, ie?
Ie, ond...
Na, mae'n iawn. Na, mae'n iawn. There's a lot... Mae cwmni'n dibynnu ar hyn. Na, mae'n iawn, ie.
Ie.
Dim tymor...
Na.
Oh,
O, fi di gweithio gyda pobl fel na, so dim plem dyn nhw. Mae just
must
ddim...
focus on bunnies.
A ti'n rhoi cyngor i nhw, a maen nhw just fel, na, ni'n mynd i wneud e fel hwn anyway. A ti'n fel, oce. Fine.
Hey, kiddies! Let's get happy! It's fluffy bun time!
Oh no, no. What are you doing on at 4 o'clock
Faint
in
o
the
hir
morning
dy intro
anyway?
yma?
Mae'n hir o'r intro, ond gyda amser mae pawb yn mynd yn fwy diamynedd fel ti nawr, Emrys. Just joio fe.
Mae di cymryd, faint, 11 munud i ni ddysgu bod o'n anghofus.
Oh, come on, 5 munud ar y mwyaf.
Mae 11 munud o'r stream wedi bod ar y bryd.
Na, 8 munud sydd wedi bod, a 3 munud oedd yr intro.
I must have fallen asleep.
11 munud ar y webbrowser fi.
Again, I
A'r
wake up!
Streamlabs stream yn dweud 8:36.
Flux!
Drew?
Flux!
Drew!
What are you doing here? Look, Flux, I can't be here. I mean, I can't stay here.
Pan mae'n gwisgo'r blazer massive yna, tyn o'r off, ie.
Besides,
Oedd yn gwisgo tu fewn, tannu canol fo.
a lifetime of therapy to look forward to. So please, just slap me. Or,
Y green
or tell me
screen
there's no place
actor
like home.
cyntaf
Or do whatever it
Yeah,
takes to get me
Benza.
out of here.
Well, I guess. If it means that much to you.
So, you mean you do know how to get me home?
Hell no! I have problems finding my own way home. But I do know a guy who might be able to help. So you see, King Hugh, your wonderfulness, Drew needs to get back home. Can you help him, can you, huh?
Oh, dear, dear. Dear, I'm so sorry for all the trouble you've been through.
Jyst yn gweld
Of
green
course I'll have to find your way
Jyst yn
home.
gwylio.
Told you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Bo fe siawns, ti di gaddo i fi. Nes i gwylio Jenks, ti'n gwylio hwn, right?
Nes di joio hwnna ddo.
Here, Qtopia.
Hey, that's where I live.
Do,
That's
nes
where
di,
I
fyddi
live
di
right
Do,
there.
nes i wir joio fe.
Zany dude.
Oedd hwnna'n
It's kinda
recipe
like an offshore
perffaith i
asylum,
bod yn
but
dig.
to me, it's always been home. Back to you, you benevolent.
Dwi'n gwybod os mae hwnna'n...
Yes. as I was saying,
Just practical
we
thing.
are here
Neu
in
falle mae
Cutopia,
Steph
home of
gyda'r
the
un
happy,
syniad â ti.
helpful cute
Mae wedi dweud mynd i golchi llestri,
And-
nôl nes ymlaen.
They're good and just
Ar ôl
kidding.
yr intro.
It's me. We were all so
Os Christopher
very,
Lloyd di creu y
very
byd ma,
happy until
fodd
we
o gwybod sydd ddim yn adre, ie?
Yeah.
by a
Ond
very
no.
wicked
Neu sy'n ma'n gallu fatha
Count
neud rhywbeth i fyny.
Nefarious. Count
I'd
Nefarious.
like to look at him.
Who would?
Nefarious is
Nefarious,
ruler
huh?
of the Malevolends, and it's dismal.
Sy'n chwarae contradiction da,
He
sy'n
has
o'r brenin di boi drwg.
perfected a malevolent.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the thing that took a shot at me!
It's a terrible flying weapon of Nefarious's own invention. The Malevolator shoots a powerful ray that corrupts everything it touches, turning all that is sweet and pleasant into all that is sinister and ugly. So, I'm afraid, Mr. Drew, we really need you to help us before we can help you.
But how could I possibly help?
My brave spies have stolen the blueprints for Nefarious's bad machine. My royal engineer is using these plans to build a cutifier, a device which will reverse the damage Nefarious has done. Mr. Drew, please, I need you to help us finish the cutifier so that we can end Nefarious's reign of terror and to make the world a happy place. And then, I promise you, I will do everything in my power to help you get home.
Dwi'n meddwl bod
Don't
yn
worry,
gwybod
your
sy'n adre.
benevolence. We'll save you, won't we, Mr.
Gawn ni
Drew?
weld.
Sure, Your Highness. I'd be happy to help.
Absolutely splendid. Thank you, friend.
Nes i gorffen y
You
gêm
can't
yma.
possibly understand
Ugain
what this
mlynedd yn ôl,
means
so
to me.
byddai
And my
byddai bach yn hazy.
Before you leave the castle, please stop by my laboratory so my engineer can show you the cutifier. And remember, all of Cutopia is counting on you.
Pam fo?
Right, start a new game.
Be?
Be?
Dwi'n gwybod hwnna gyd
O
eto.
na, i gallu skipio. O na, oes na skip?
O, na.
O sorry, nes i gwasgu play intro. Mi ddim yn gael fi skipio.
Na.
Seriously, mi ddim yn gwybod pam wedi
This
wneud
is
hwnna.
Dr. Stern's
Oh,
office.
shit.
I'm
How
calling
does
to
he look
remind you
here
about
for
your
intro?
dental appointment tomorrow morning.
Oedd hwnna mistake,
Rhywbeth.
obviously. Oh, sorry,
Mr.
bai.
Blank,
Go.
missed your last
Oh,
3
no,
appointments,
skip.
Mr. Blank.
Skip.
Pwysio
I
sgep.
mean, I'm sorry.
I want the new car.
Oh, oedd y
So
skip.
you
O,
see,
diolch beth.
King Hugh,
Diolch beth.
your wonderfulness.
Diolch beth.
Drew ne-
Dyma ni. Okay. Right. Beth yw...
Ydy'r thing pink, y piws na fyny trwy'r gêm?
Path thing piws.
Y
Oh,
met
na,
piws
yeah. I'm a bit cynta, anyway.
O, iawn, oce. Cos dwi'n meddwl sy'n gallu... Dwi'n meddwl stymog i... Efo quips o.
Oh,
Please don't touch the trophies, gentlemen. I've just spent the last week dusting them.
Excuse me. Could we have a word with you?
Certainly. Which word would you like? May I recommend? Goodbye.
ooh.
King Hugh sure has a lot of trophies.
Well done, sir. A keen observation. However, if I may be blunt, I find dusting a
Sgynno am
trifle
lot o
difficult
trophies.
whilst engaged in
Rosettes.
such witty and insightful conversation.
Dagger.
So if it's all the same to you,
Yeah.
I suggest
Gloria.
you gentlemen be on your way.
Pysgodyn.
Hey, wait a
Tarian.
second. What kind of a butler
Yeah,
are
man, a
you
bit-
anyway?
For
Yeah.
your information, no kind of butler at all. Are you blind, sir?
Flux, look at him. I think he's a footman.
What?
Come on, your mama gags
Butler would
yna.
be a great big...
This must be a tough time for King Hugh. Nefarious on the loose. Utopians getting struck down. left
Pedro,
and
please.
right.
Dust
Sarah
collecting on his
Toyda.
trophies.
Yeah.
Oh,
Dim pwynt
indeed.
ni synwyd,
It's
yeah.
just terrible to see His Royal Highness so unhappy. Every night, I wind his precious royal music box. It begins to play its sweet little lullaby. And only then can my poor king sleep. Sweet dreams, your royal snookums, I softly whisper as I tuck his
Dwi'n meddwl bod yn brennu.
Footman's duties. You wouldn't understand.
Na, just lot o pwysau. Beth ti'n meddwl o blymun Matt Hancock te, Emrys?
Not shocked. Not shocked.
Time for
Swn
us
i'n mwy shocked os o'n ddim wedi cael y ffair.
Ie.
Efo'r gang yna i gyd, de.
Maen nhw gyd yn bad uns fi'n credu, achos os ti'n meddwl amdano fe oedd yn dweud dyle rhywun o'r Alban neu rhyw Lib Dem neu rhywun oedd wedi cael y ffe a torri reolau, resigno. Dyna oedd union geirfa fe.
Mae math o Tories sy'n rhedeg y wlad yna o'n de, fatha, mae'n best ar cael get away with clwydda.
Ie.
Neu os ydy'n pwysau i clwydda.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm looking for my glasses.
Oh. Well, if you see the engineer, would you
Glasses. Ti
tell
di
him we're
clywed,
looking
fi di
for him?
clywed
I will. But he's
llais
rather
yna o blaen.
preoccupied right now.
Oh.
He's lost his glasses. Now where
Glasses?
can they be?
Iawn, so eisiau glasses i'r boi yma.
Yeah.
Be oedd y llall eisiau, music box?
Excuse me.
I don't mean to be rude.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid I don't have time to chit-chat right
Okay,
now.
so ni ffeindio
Finding my
sbectol y boi yma.
glasses is a
Glasses!
tippy-top priority.
Glasses!
O, dyna fe. Let's not be silly. Mae fe'n swnio fel
Where are they?
cwningen o Alice in Wonderland.
That's a
Alice in Wonderland.
tippy-top secret area.
Tippy-top.
Please, stay out.
Mustard. Yeah, man. Okay.
Yeah, trash can.
So's the floor, apparently.
Yeah, fi ddim yn credu ma' yna unrhyw beth fan hyn. Fi'n credu ni angen...
Be am hwnna? Be am y thing mowr...
Hwnna?
Another
Machine
of the
slurpie.
engineer's useful inventions, no doubt.
I can't see it.
Alright, chill out. Alright, nawn ni... Os ni'n edrych ar pawb unwaith...
You know,
Yeah.
Flux,
Or fel
I have this
real
weird
point
nagging
and
feeling
click.
that before we
Hearing
leave
in-
the palace, there's something we're supposed to do.
You mean like find out what we're supposed to do?
Oh, yeah, that was
there
it.
we
I guess
go.
we better talk to the royal engineer.
Oh, so mae fe'n rhoi y clue yna i chi.
The door is locked. Do you think King Hugh wants us to stay out of there?
Heck no! I've always viewed a locked door as an invitation.
Yn stupid.
So,
They're literally yn ei sens.
na, dwi ddim.
Engineer to scientist i hwn. Y boi yma.
O, fi'n credu mae fe'n galw fe'r un peth. Okay, so mae rhaid...
My glasses!
Yeah, ni angen siarad i fe mwy, dwi'n credu.
Excuse me.
I don't mean to be rude, but I'm
no,
afraid I
it's
don't
been
have
my-
time to
Nick is
chit-chat
great.
right now. Finding my glasses
Oh,
is a
God.
tippy-top
Be di
priority.
ban chdi da i fi cael walkthrough fyny y fama a sta'n really stuck.
Yeah.
Na'i'n deitha chdi be'n neud, ond...
Na, just meddwl...
Another
Okay,
of the
yeah.
engineer's
Achos o'n i'n
useful
meddwl am hwnna
inventions,
hefyd,
no
ond
doubt.
o'n i fel, fi ddim, fi'n mynd i o
Another of the
leia
engineer's useful inventions,
trio
no doubt.
siarad gyda pawb, a... you know,
Dwi neu i googlo Toonstruck walkthrough de,
Yeah.
a number one hits de, Toonstruck walkthrough de, a website
Another of the engineer's useful
gameboomers.com.
inventions, no
Game
doubt.
Boomers. There we go,
There's a
dyna beth
trash
ydyn
can.
ni, Game Boomers, yfe?
Ti efo'r dau CD? Ti efo'r dau CD?
Oedd dy fi'r doi CD yn, achos oedd hwn yn un nes i benthyg o'r llyfrgell. Nes i fel talu cwpl o pint i cael benthyg e, o'n i fel, oh my god, mae hwn yn
I wonder what's
amazing.
through that doorway
Right.
on the right.
So, ni di...
That's the tippy-top
Right,
secret area.
fi'n credu fi angen mynd
Please,
nôl nawr i
stay
siarad gyda'r
out.
boi a... Sdim byd fan hyn...
Another of the engineer's useful
Yeah, yeah.
inventions, no doubt.
Beth am hwn?
O, iawn. Da ni eisiau nôl... Wel, os ti wedi bod yn fama wan?
Mynd
Ocê,
nôl i'r
stwff.
footman i siarad gyda'r
Ie.
footman. Ie. Na, ti'n neud y regoen, fi gwybod ti'n frustrated achos ti di blin nawr, mae'n di Gwener, ond come on, ges di full whack jenks, right? Come on nawr.
Nes ti siarad efo'r derna 4 gwaith.
Alright, fair enough. Okay. Okay.
We're back again.
Very good, sir. May I say, sir has an unrivaled mastery of stating the obvious.
There we
We
go.
were just talking to a bird downstairs. He seemed a little flustered.
Ah, you've had the misfortune of meeting Bric-a-Brac, our royal engineer.
Bric-a-Brac seems to be having a bit of a problem.
Allow me to go out on a limb, sir. Bric-a-Brac has lost his glasses.
Glasses.
That's right.
I don't suppose he has checked
Oh,
his
mae fe'n
pocket.
pocket fe.
Oh,
Unbelievable.
I didn't ask.
Well, while I find the troubles of our engineer most fascinating, sir, in future I would prefer to focus my energies
Oh,
on
dusting.
more important matters, such as the condition of my master's trophies.
Ta-ra. Stim pwynt.
I'd better be going.
No.
Stim
I
byd
have a
arall
drawer
sy'n mynd i
full of
ddweud i ni.
socks to dust.
Of course, one must have one's priorities.
Alright. Okay, nôl â ni. CD-ROM era, ti o'r CD-ROM games, mae'n rhaid ni... Yeah.
Sut ti'n mynd i ddeud i hwn rhan?
Mi'n i dweud check your
By any
pocket,
chance,
yfe?
are your glasses.
Oh, start away. Okay.
Yeah.
I have no
Yeah.
idea. I wish I had them right now.
Oh
I
my
think what Drew
God.
means is, look in your pocket!
Oh, okay. My
Yeah.
glasses. I wonder who put them there. Say, do I know you?
I'm Drew, and he's Flux. We're friends of King Hugh. We've come to help you with a cutifier.
Wonderful. Welcome to Team Happy. Let me show you what I've been working on. Gentlemen, this is the blueprint
Oh,
for the
mae'n
Farius's
stress.
Malevolator.
Paid bod yn stress,
Now then,
paid
you
bod
see
yn
the 12
stress.
things
Right,
installed
mae'n
inside the
cofio,
ship's deck?
nes i
The
gafo
whistles, the
cyflwyno'r
daggers,
gêm
the
yma
whatnot.
yn 9
Well,
mlwydd oed. So i
they
fi, oedd
power
hwn
the
y peth
Farius's
gorau
Malevation
ever,
beam.
achos o'n i
We
bach
need
fel,
12 things to
edrych,
power
mae
the beam
cartoon,
on
y
our
person go
machine.
iawn,
But so far,
a
I've
mae fe'n
only been
point and
able to
click
find
adventure,
one.
lle fi'n helpu y
Well,
prif
I guess the
cymeriad.
scavenger
Come
hunt for
on.
the missing parts shouldn't take too long. We already have the blueprint. At least we know
O'n
what
i'n
we need to
hogyn,
get.
o'n i'n hogyn
Not
9
that
oed.
easy.
Bach wahanol.
Use the same 12 things. Get another malevolation.
So-
beam.
Digon teg.
What we need
Ti-
are
ti'n-
12
ti'n un oed a fi
different
oed?
things.
Yeah,
Things
32.
of
Blwyddyn-
different
Ie,
nature.
32. So,
Things that will produce
9 oed,
the reverse
1988,
effect.
ie.
Yeah,
Right.
Dwi'n cael
You
1988
said
i
you
fyny
had
ar
one thing
Wikipedia.
that worked.
1988.
Why, yes, I do.
Oh, no, 1988
Let's take
bydde hwn,
another
yeah,
look-see
Toonstruck.
at the
Yeah.
blueprint.
Yeah.
So, bych chdi 9 oed.
The
So,
one thing that
sbio beth
seems to
digwydd.
work is sugar. It works when I put it right there where the spice is in the Farius's machine.
But why?
I haven't a clue.
Well, Bric-a-Brac, we better go. The sooner we get those missing parts, the better for all of us.
Wait, you'll be needing the Malevolator blueprint for reference.
Good.
No.
Mae hwnna'n
Now,
handy.
where's it got to?
You're still holding it, Wing Commander.
Oh,
Oh, God. Diolch yn fawr.
oh, that reminds me. I want to give you something that may help. A bottomless bag to carry all the parts in.
So, be, chwarae teg, mae hwnna yn good,
Splendid. And please,
good
feel free to
world
come back
building.
here
Eddie,
anytime.
Eddie,
We can
y
install
bottomless
different things
bag,
into the
ti'n gwybod
cutifier
wedyn, right,
to see
chi'n
if
gallu
they
credu fe,
work.
so mae
Or
popeth yn
we
neud
can
synwyr
just
os oes
go.
gyda chi bottomless bag.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, new friends, and good luck.
Met, ta-ra then.
1988, ys di chwarae gema.
Ie.
Nath pethau da, actually, digwydd 1988. Fatha'r The Good Friday Agreement.
Yeah, okay. Ond o'n i ddim yn diddordeb mewn y Good Friday Agreement fel plentyn, o'n i?
Hi, guys.
You know, now
Microsoft
Lloyd.
and...
And this is
Yeah.
my friend.
Actually, ti'n gwybod, ond hynna
We're
sy'n...
building a machine that's going to save Cutopia.
We're
Dyna'r peth
secretly
gorau,
building
a
a
oedd e ddim
machine
yn
that's
actually
going to
ymwneud
save
gyda fi
Cutopia.
directly,
Oh,
fel
jeez.
person 9
These
mlwydd
are the
oed.
palace
Bydden ni ddim yn
guards.
bothered
You
am
think
y
they
Good
don't know what's
Friday
going
Agreement.
on?
Ti isio rhywbeth
Building a
nuts?
machine?
Go on.
Mae atgof chdi o'r gem yma, ie?
Yeah.
Yr un oed
So,
o
what
Google.
exactly do you guys do around here?
Oh, wow.
Let's show him, Sparky. Okie dokie, Chipper.
Wow.
2, 3,
Hwnna yn nuts.
Bippity bip bip bippity bop.
Ooh, dwi eisiau'r allwedd yna.
O,
Diddly
ie, armadillos, ie.
Armadillos, yeah.
Skiddly diddly dippity doo. Oops.
Oh,
That's our little hello dance. It even has a message. That's right.
Oeddech chi'n gallu symud
Here's hoping it
pan mae hyn yn malu cychwyn? Oeddech chi'n gallu symud y maws?
Fi'n credu oedd rhaid i fi gwrando arno fe unwaith i setio fe fyny er mwyn gallu neud yr ail tro.
O, iawn,
Wylio nawr.
Boy, it sure has been a tough day, hasn't it, Flux?
Yes?
Oh, we sure could use some cheering up.
Mayday, mayday! Our friends have the frownies.
Quick, the dance. Oh no, wait, it hasn't been that tough.
2, 3, 4.
Mae agwedd Christopher Lloyd fel un fi a ti yw'r boi arall sy'n just fel, oh my god.
Looks like the little fellow's dropped something.
Dwi eisiau gwybod beth sy'n trwy pen Christopher Lloyd yn y gêm yma, chwarter awr yn ôl o'n massively stressed. Mae'n jyst i derbyn y sefyllfa yma.
Dim really trafodaeth ynglyn â hwnna, achos yr unig person mae'n gallu siarad i yw bloody cartoon hefyd, person cymeriad cartoon. So, nawr mae dyn ni allwedd, oedd na drws... O, na, falle cabinet, nid fan hyn, falle fan hyn.
Ie, hwnna dwi'n meddwl.
Ie. Right, here we go.
Sbia ar y walk na.
Well, there's one problem solved.
And 1,110 to go. Of course, that's only an estimate.
Yeah, oh, music box or the...
Oh, yeah.
And sôn am hwnna.
Lots of smiley faces. Dim hwn dy smiley face o'n nhw'n rhaid LSD am.
Fi'n credu.
Ooh. Yn y 1998 oedd 10 cent. Di cychwyn, sef yn y cwni am mwyaf chocolate yn China.
Alright.
OK, so hwn yn puzzle.
Pai dweud os ti'n gwybod fi yn hoffi...
Na, dwi liter 1998 ar Wikipedia fan.
Good, pai nawr. Right.
Ond, ella sy'n syniad eich di treulio fath o puzzle a dim randomly pwysio stuff.
Fi ddim, oh my god, ti mewn really bad mood heddiw, fi gallu gweld hwnna. Right. Mae unau clockwedd neu gwrth clockwedd.
Os yw'n pwysio, oce, os yw'n pwysio yn dwy...
Right, hwnna gynta.
Pwysio hwnna eto an. Oce, so, pwysio hwnna unwaith. I chi gwybod beth mae bob un yn neud es. Do hwnna nôl an. So, ddi'n gwybod hwnna'n dda hynna. Pwysio hwnna an. Oce, ddi'n gwybod bod hwnna'n dda hynna. Ie.
Ww, naeth sŵn just digwydd fan,
Do.
So...
Hey! We open a secret passage.
I guess reorganizing your sock drawers can pay off after all.
Sy'n rug.
Wow, a secret trapdoor! Drew, you're a genius! I mean, I think
Un thing yn allan strygl yma.
You were.
Nath y brenin gofyn i'r ddau am help, do.
Do.
So pam da ni'n gwrdd chwilio am gwiriadau di cloi trapdoors.
O na! Fi wedi gwneud y thing wrong. Fi ddim di agor y thing. Mae fe jyst yn mynd i bod yn dracod yn ni.
How dare you, son? That is the king's personal calling cord.
Sorry about that.
See that it doesn't happen again.
Oh, man, I'm fine. So, agor a trap... Oh.
It won't open. I think it's locked on the other side.
Oh, so... Okay, so...
So, gadael o fel yeah?
Yeah.
I'll just put this back the way we found.
So, newn ni roi y rug nôl, okay?
It's too small. I'd probably break it.
Fi just eisiau check os oes unrhyw beth arall. Secret passage. So, ni'n agor e o'r secret passage a wedyn... So...
I can't reach it.
Oh, God.
Wait a minute. I know how you could get up there.
Go on, then.
Pam dod check o hwnna?
Achos ni'n gallu trapio rhywun.
This doesn't sound like a particularly good idea, Flux.
Hey, it doesn't smell like a particularly good idea either.
Achos ni'n gallu ffeindio stuff yn stafell fe. Mae fel classic...
Oh, okay.
But... Floorboard. Oh, mae fe'n neidio fanny. Here we go. Cael e i mynd ar ochr arall. A bydd e'n gallu agor i fi.
Go stand on that loose floorboard for a second, okay?
Sure, buddy. Whatever you say.
Hey, diolch. Mir Peas Blossom 1 dim 8. Woohoo, croeso'r crew. Right, here we go. Boom. Oh, yes.
Flux! You did it!
Chych gadael y rug yna fydd.
Yn union. So nawr fi'n tynnu'r thing. Bydd y footman yn dod a cwmpo lawr a... Ie, beth bynnag. Right, dyma ni.
A dda'n potential yn lladd o.
Ie, ond maen nhw'n cartoon, so... Edrych y cutscenes, lovely.
Wyt ti'n teimlo honni fod bywyd cartoons ddim yn bwysig? Wow, bwysig.
Na, mae'n adloniant I ni, ond so... No. Yes! No. Uh-oh.
Oh dear. Ouch. Predictable.
Predictable, na fe'n gywir fyna.
How inconvenient. That would do it.
Oh, proper Acme style I fyna. Right,
Beth yw'n mynd allan de?
my note.
Remember,
lot of damage y boi yma.
don't shut down. Go right in. Don't be left out. Sounds like some sort of inspirational note.
Na, hwnna oedd y password I wneud e, ond nes I just wneud e trwy gwasgu random buttons nes bod i'n cael. Dyna'r ail opsiwn. Right, nawn ni mynd nôl I stafell fe, gweld pa goodies ni'n gallu cael ar gyfer... Dim
holl pwynt hyn ydi ni stopio'r boi evil neu'n stwff evil. Ond da ni wedi gwneud beth really evil o fyna fan.
Right, beth ni'n gallu mynd? Ond just... Nice.
Whoops. I guess that's King Hugh's little way of saying, don't take my
pressure
trophy, you
points.
miserable thieves.
Ie, sy'n chdi beth arall.
This trophy won't do me much good if I can never leave the room again.
So beth... Na, ti'n iawn.
Sgynna chdi.
Beth sydd dyn ni? Oh, a music box. Yes. Falle, anyway.
Ddim eisiau music box ar gyfer y brenin.
No. Need to use trio.
That's too heavy.
Tam, ti'n iawn. Rai bod yna rhywbeth yma. Right, beth os ni'n pigo stuff ar... Pam, efe? Pam...
Looks like this is the one that got away.
Ydw i'n gallu rhoi hwnna fyna?
That's too heavy.
Okay. Beth arall ni'n gallu clicio fan hyn?
Dyna. Eich di wneud y... So wirion, sa'r atab yn y rŵm ysa. So dwi'n eich di the water can yn ôl.
Okay.
So I mean, getting into it, son.
Ie, ti'n mynd I joio fe. Unwaith ti di pasio make-believe thing o, mae bach yn silly, beth ti'n joio fe? Achos ti'n fan mawr o'r pwynt y chlic genre, chi methu di-ystyru hwn. Chi methu. It just... Right, do not disturb. A dwi... Na, bydd e probably ddim eisiau mynd nôl i'r brenin.
Dos nôl i'r bedroom.
Look,
there's a
message hanging from the doorknob. Do not disturb. Busy formulating alternative plans for saving my kingdom. Thanks.
Okay. So, nôl i'r bedroom?
Yeah, a trwy Secret Passage.
O, gweld beth ni'n gallu cael o fyna nawr mae'r boi yna lawr.
Yeah.
Y twll. Okay. Actually, falle bod yna rhywbeth fyna.
Yw darn o barrel beth torri na beth. Oh, na, mae'n dim arw.
Siarad gyda flat footman.
Mr. Footman, if you can hear me,
Halen
let me
in a
assure you
brew.
that there was a very, very good reason for us setting up that little booby trap.
Yeah, we needed a good laugh.
Brilliant.
Mae'n dim arw. Ond y byd arall fan yna,
Na. So, mas o fan hyn. Yn credu mae rhaid ni gadael yr palace, neu beth bynnag chi'n galw fe. Ydy e'n castell? Y cabinet yma. O, mae'n y twll. So, falle bod yna...
There's a hole in the side of the cupboard.
Oh. Ominous.
I can't just yank it open.
Dim yn sgwar. Music box?
Falle. Na.
A fish?
Fish, ie, o'n i'n meddwl fanna.
Toe in the fish. Ydy o'n swordfish?
Ie. Na, mae ddim yn hoffi'r syniad. Right. Fi'n gwybod mae hwn... Ond just... Na I ddim gofyn ein rhywbeth mwy ar ôl hyn.
Hi, Bric-a-Brac.
Who is this Bric-a-Brac?
Oh,
the name sounds familiar, but for the life of me, I can't seem to place the face.
He's you.
Who's who?
You are
Ddim gyda amser am
bric-a-brac.
hwn.
Yes, of
Fi 'di cael
course
wythnos
I'm
brysur wedyn ni
bric-a-brac.
Emrys.
Uh-oh, did you two sillies forget who I was?
Dwi eisiau falch pryd da i'n mynd i'r as eto hynna.
Ie, na, bydd hwnna wedi mynd... Mae hwnna'n gallu mynd â chi'r edge os chi ddim yn y mood cywir.
That
Especially os wyt ti'n mynd i wneud Lion King, byddwn ni ddim yn dweud i wneud y... Ydy'n gallu mynd trwy fan hyn? Oh.
Wait for me!
So the new parts go in those compartments around the cutafier's deck?
Yes, that's right.
Right.
When you've installed all the components,
So, sugar
you
and
simply press
spice.
that big red button to
Oh,
run the
ma'
machine.
pethau fel
If there are
opposite,
any
so
problems, the computer
cloak and
will
dagger.
let us know.
Na, fel...
Cwlcyn.
Na, fi ddim yn gwybod, ond fi'n credu mae yna... Diod achos mae spice yn yr un top fan hyn, a mae sugar fyna. So mae hwnna fel thing sy'n mynd opposite, so mae fe'n mynd...
O.
So, ti angen meddwl beth yw'r opposite, achos i creu'r malleolator sy'n neud popeth yn drwg, ti angen meddwl am beth sy'n mynd i opposite i canslo hwnna mas, so sugar. So, rock, paper, salt yw pepper, bow, arrow, ball,
Pin. Bowling ball, dwi'n ie?
Yeah, needles. Ddim yn siŵr. Ond fi ddim yn credu mae yna unrhyw beth yn bag ni ar hyn o bryd, os e?
Iawn.
Beth yw hwn? Hot.
Na, sy'n nhw.
Na, bydd hwnna ddim. Beth am y shark? Na, hwnna ddim chwaith, ydy e?
Na.
Shark, needle, shark. Na. Os mae ddim yn just neud silly things. OK, mae hwnna'n good though, so ni'n gwybod ni angen dod nôl fyna a gosod
Ydy'r machine yna?
Another of the engineer's useful inventions, no doubt.
Mae jyst yn diastyru fe, so fe'n... Mae jyst yn...
Be mae thing yn y pot? Na.
Dim byd. Right, beth i ar
Future
y plac
home
yma?
of the Royal Botanical Gardens.
Right,
Felly...
Anthony.
Oh.
Shop.
Ie.
O, edrych ar rain.
Excuse me, do you...
Why, look, brother. I think we've got some new faces here in the bakery.
I'll say, welcome, fellows.
Bydden ni'n hoffi bod
I'm
yn
Blank, and this is
Drew
Flux Wildly.
a mynd mewn i byd cartoon.
We're
Bydden
the
ti?
Baker
Emrys?
Boys.
Swn i'n meddwl... Swn i'n convinced dwi'n tripio balls.
Yeah.
So,
Allai,
I'm walking
os
down
fysa
the
bydd i'r
street,
cartwn
and
yn
an old man
hollol
comes
wir,
up to
os
me
dwi'n
and
am
asks
dyna,
directions to
swn i
the
ddim yn
fish
coelio.
market.
Swn i'n
The fish market, I
skeptic.
say.
Yeah.
Don't ask me. I thought you brought the strudel.
Mae efo lot o stwff
Wait a
i fi.
minute.
As
That
in,
didn't make any sense.
dwi'n hollol... fa-
didn't?
No.
Dwi'n gwybod bod yna
He's right.
aliens rhywle yna.
It's just
Ond
not the
so hyn
same
yn
now
dweutha
that
fi,
it's just
o, dwi'n
me.
aliens, dwi'n ddim yn coelio nhw.
Just you and you?
No, me.
That's me.
Hold it right there.
He's Doe, I'm me. We also have a
Young
middle
and
brother
Ray.
named
Hey,
Ray.
come on, do re mi.
We did.
Our poor departed brother Ray was the one who sang the middle note, told the middle of the jokes, and ran the
Mae
middle
lot o'r
bakery.
acenion yma ddim yn rhywbeth sy'n cael get away, mae dydyn nhw, dwi'n meddwl.
Na, na.
So lots of
Departed. One
efo
day he
forced
went
speech
out,
impediments.
Yeah.
He never came back.
And ever since, it's been a tough go for me and me.
Right, beth...
Where do you think Ray went?
We think he was shanghaied.
Shanghai? Did you say Shanghai? Ray was Shanghai? Whoa! I mean, whoa! Okay, someone tell me what Shanghai means.
Someone kidnapped him?
Ah, bingo, yeah.
Well, we think it may have been nefarious horrible henchmen.
Why would they do that?
Cael ac
We think
yn...
maybe it was a case of mistake.
Cais yna yn iawn.
So you're saying you think they meant to kidnap some other baking, singing frog?
No.
So,
Mae
you
llais
guys are bakers?
Steffan Tenner yn
That's right.
bygio fi.
Me here runs the day-old bakery, and I run the day-young bakery.
Day Young Bakery?
Selling bread that isn't finished yet. You know,
Oh
lots
my
of dough.
God.
Of course. How silly of you, Drew.
Patsly Becks.
And Ray, He used
Cookie
to
dough,
run a
eh?
regular
Do you know?
bakery.
I was
Pobl yn hoffi
yeah.
the hwnna.
After I made
cyn-
my dough, Ray would
Mae'n
cook
bod
it in the
cookies.
nice rolls and
Yn
sell those
dead,
in
yeah.
his
Fair enough.
shop.
The day after, Ray would pass the leftover rolls on to me, and I'd sell them at my place.
But now that our dear brother is gone,
Those
Mae'r un
doughs
tew yn
left
swnio fel yr un
Me
tew
shelves are-
yn Day of the Tentacle.
Ie.
That's the saddest
Mae gen
story
pobl
I've
hyn.
ever heard.
Probably.
Oh, brother.
Ooh.
Well, despite all your troubles, at least you have your dough, right?
wrong
Right after Ray disappeared, things went from bad.
to extra bad.
You see, Qtopia ran out of butter. And without butter, dough can't make dough.
Oh my god.
The butter.
Leave out the
That's a
butter.
fact.
No butter,
Go on.
no dough.
Take it from me.
You
So the
mean
boys sy'n chwarae
him,
Flux.
right?
Well,
Yeah.
sure. Who
So,
else?
iaith. Iaith, ti'n gwybod pa llais arall mae'n dod i wneud?
Well, I guess we better be going.
Take care.
Don't talk to strangers.
Always take a sweater.
Be di'r
Don't
cymeriad
forget to ride.
cartŵn mwyaf poblogaidd yn erioed?
Bugs Bunny.
Na, mwy poblogaidd na Bugs Bunny.
Mickey Mouse.
Na, ti'n meddwl amdano fo ron?
Why are we standing in an empty
Pa'n meddwl am plant?
I'm not sure. I guess it's just
The
seemed
cartoon
like a good idea.
Oh,
Character.
Simpsons.
Ie.
O, fe yw... O, he'd be game for a laugh, fi'n credu. Fe yw gai sydd yn chwarae fel Moe a fel chwech yn nhw.
Na.
Na? O, fe
Na.
Nancy Cartwright.
Na.
Ond Simpsons, fi'n gywir gyda
Ie.
Simpsons.
Mae'n chwarae Mia Quimby, Hans, Gaunt Skipper Willy, Sideshow Mel, Custard the Clown, Barney, a dau... Mae'n un cymeriad... Na, mae'n un. Mae'n un cymeriad... Pwy di'r cymeriad... Os bydd Simpsons, pa cymeriad ti'n mynd dan?
Homer.
Ie.
Wneud Homer? Oh, wow.
Ynddi. Dan Castellana.
Oh, right, yeah, Dan. Hey, hello, Leigh Wales. Siwmai. Yeah, Dan Castellaneta neu beth bynnag yw e.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, frogs.
Hello, friends.
Right, fi just yn
Have you
teimlo...
got a scrap of dough left in the freezer or something?
Nada. Zip. Zilch.
Okay,
Definitely
okay.
nothing.
Yeah,
Until we
croeso i
get some
stream
butter,
boy. Ni mewn
Utopia
gwlad
goes downwards.
cute,
Whoa.
cartoony heddiw.
You
Ond
mean
mae
woe
pethau
is
drwg wedi digwydd am roi ni...
Sad.
Tiod, bydden ni, os
So,
mae
are you
peth
guys
rhywbeth fel
positive
na,
that Ray was
ti
kidnapped?
ddim yn cael
Not
gwell
a
person
doubt
na
in my
Christopher
mind,
Lloyd.
friend.
Oh,
Os
you
ti,
don't know,
fi'n credu
Ray.
ti
His
ba-
whole
yn
life
eitha
was
ifanc
singing and
le, ond
baking.
Christopher
He'd
Lloyd
never
oedd y
just
boi
leave it.
No.
professor yn Back to the Future.
Has him for sure.
Mae'n actor really perffaith ar gyfer hwn, achos
Well,
mae gyda
see you later.
ystymiau
Good luck,
mawr,
fellows.
eitha